Greetings Netrunners and welcome to the next part of our look at the runner cards from the Data and Destiny expansion. Today we're going to be looking at Sunny Lebeau, Corporate Runner. We have Sunny Lebeau here, Security Specialist, Identity Natural, and nothing in her text box. She has access to more cards as usual for these new runners, and she has a link strength of 2, which is what's key about her as a runner. Everything she has revolves around link strength, which you'll see in a minute. First up, the key to Sunny Lebeau is the hardware security chip, which has trash, choose an icebreaker, let's get that in focus there, or any number of cloud icebreakers. Each chosen icebreaker has +1 strength for each link strength you have for the remainder of this run. Use this ability only during run. So just her base link strength, she's already getting +2 strength to your icebreakers. You add things that increase your link strength, and suddenly it's +3, +4, and you're breaking through those icebreakers. You're breaking through that ice even faster than before. Next, we have her console, the security nexus. Has +1 memory and +1 link strength, so already you're getting at strength 3 for that chip. And if you add in other things that give you increased link strength, and suddenly it's got to 4 and 5, and as I said, everything she has revolves around link strength. Then again, is a cost of 8, which is a bit of a downside. It says, once per turn when you encounter a piece of ice, you may force the corp to trace for strength 5. If successful, give the runner 1 tag and end the run. If unsuccessful, the runner bypasses the currently encountered ice. So you just completely bypass the ice. That's very, very strong. But at the same time, there's a chance you're getting a tag. So what you want to do is run the corp out of money first before using that. So they can't afford to up the trace strength. Next, we have her first icebreaker, the GS Striker M1, cost of 4, memory cost of 1, but has, if you have at least 2 link strength, which Sunny has as basic, the memory cost of GS Striker M1 is 0, even if it's not installed. So you're getting it for memory cost nothing. Has 2 credits, break any number of code gate subroutines, so you're breaking as many subroutines as you want, and 2 credits for +3 strength. It starts with strength 1. But with your security chip, you're already looking at it being strength 3. And if you use the console as well, that's already strength 4. So you're going to get through a lot of ice with this. Next we have our next icebreaker, the GS Shrike M2. Also a cloud icebreaker, and has, if you have at least 2 link strength, the memory cost is once again 0. And has the same, it just has break any sentry subroutines and +3 strength. And you've guessed it, for her next one, the GS Sherman M3, once again, same thing, memory cost is 0 if you have 2 link strength, and this one is with barriers, so she's got icebreakers for every situation, and she is already upping the strength just thanks to the link strength, if you have the chip. And then you have her first virtual resource, Global Sec Security Clearance. Install only if you have at least 2 link strength. She's got it base. When your turn begins, you may lose a click if you do look at the top card of R&D. So suddenly you know if running on R&D is worth your time this turn. And that is huge. And the fact that she gets it without even having to up her link strength at all is massive. Cost of 2 is good as well. And finally, we have Resource Connection, Jack Sinclair. Reduce the cost to install Jack Sinclair by 1 for each link strength you have. So with Sunny, you only cost 1 to install. If you have a console, you get Jack for free. When your turn begins, you may make a run. You cannot use programs during this run. So you get a free run at the start of the turn before any of the clicks are spent. So you can just run on HQ. You can run on any archive or R&D or any server you want, just to see what's there before you decide to do a proper run. That's all for Sunny Lebeau this time. Next time we'll be looking at Adam, the Bioroid runner, and we'll look at the neutral cards as well. See you next time, guys. Bye.